What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp. Mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent.
We are doing Bantu Knots. So basically what you need for this style is 1 pack of 1 million darling fiber and a crochet needle. Basically those are the only 2 things you need. So my apologies, guys, I did not add a video of me trying to cut out these perfectly cut out triangles of my hair. I struggled. I was using 2 mirrors and I just couldn't find space for my camera, and it was just a disaster. So you can ask anyone who knows how to do hair, your hairdresser, or if you're an advanced, you can do it yourself. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm crocheting in the fiber so I can braid it. I find it easy for me to crochet my braids, especially if I'm doing my own hair. I find it easy for me to crochet my braid. It's very easy. You basically just put it in there and you just start plaiting down. So that is very, very simple. So I'm gonna do that on my whole entire head. And one thing to remember is that when you are adding the fiber to your hair, it must be very thin. You don't want it to be so big that it covers the whole entire block. If you cut out blocks, or the whole entire triangle, you want to see those lines. Basically, that's what makes the style beautiful. So just make sure it's thin and it's natural. Make sure it looks like it is your natural hair, basically, that has been winded up. Now I am done braiding my hair down. I've done all the triangles. I think I have like 20 triangles on my head. I'm not really sure. I lost count, but I was aiming for 20. I think they're like 16 though. I'm not sure. You can cut it no matter how you want to cut it. So basically, right now I am just winding it around, making a knot. A lot of DIYs I've watched, people like to sew it so that it stays intact. I find that very uncomfortable, especially if I have to go to bed. I can't sleep. It's not comfortable. So I don't mind just redoing them every single morning. I love touching my hair. But I know a lot of people don't have time for that. So basically you can just intact it in and just sew it in. What you've been seeing is me adding my accessories, and voila! So I went for like very popping colors because I love drama, baby. So I just went for popping colors. You can choose any accessories to put on and just rock it the way you like it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you guys try the style. Please do try the style. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and press that like button.